How's it going, guys? This is Nicky from Productionak and welcome to the first video of our new channel here. This channel is mainly focused on music production and sound design, and we will be focusing on techno and melodic techno and tech house as well. So we're going to recreate a famous techno FM stab in Serum today. Let's dive into Ableton and get it done. Alright guys, that's us inside the Ableton now. So I've just created this simple techno groove here. It goes something like this. It's your standard techno drum code style groove here. So what we want to do is fill up the emptiness in the track a bit by inviting in a stab, a nice big fat FM stab. So how we're going to create that is we're going to go into Serum. Just grab a Serum here, hold on, cut this one out and insert MIDI track, Serum, and it takes you to its default page here with just one sawtooth wave. So the first thing we want to do here is change it from default and go to analog here to basic /CJW, some sort of sine wave, and we want to bring this an octave down. Next we want to get oscillator B and also change it to basic CJW. Bring this one an oscillator up, and let's check what sound we have now. Right, okay. So bring the random down on both oscillators here and bring the phase down to about 110 on both oscillators. That's fine there. First of all, we want to shape this sound, so let's go to envelope 1 and bring the sustain down, not too much, but probably to about -5 dB is good. And also bring the release up here till about 215 is fine, and the attack all the way down. So next we want to go to envelope 2 and bring the sustain all the way down. We're going to be assigning envelope 2 to the filter cutoff, so open up the filter cutoff here and actually bring the cutoff down to about a quarter way. 25 is good, 25 Hz, and assign this envelope 2 to the filter cutoff. Bring it round a bit like this till about 60. Bring the fatness up slightly to about 25 is good, and just the drive there, and bring the fatness up as well to not too much, but 15, just so it's a fatter sound. Right, okay, so we're actually going to be modulating oscillator A from B here, so we want to turn the level down on oscillator B, and we're going to be changing this here from off to FM from B. Next, go to envelope 3 and bring the sustain all the way down. Also bring the decay down as well. Take it down till about 300 odd. 350 is good. We're getting closer to the sound now. So now what we want to do is assign envelope 3 to FM from B here. So let's put it across. Obviously this is way too much, so let's bring it down slightly. Just take it round till about, I'd say 60. You can start to see that, you can start to hear that FM stabby sound. Right, so next thing what we want to do here is add some effects. Bring a bit of distortion in. Bring the dry wet down till about 40. And we're going to assign envelope 2 here again to the drive up here. Bring it round from the right all the way down to the left till about -20. That's good enough. So the next thing, obviously what we're missing here is a big reverb on this sound. So let's click into reverb. Sounding a lot meatier. What we're going to do here is assign this LFO to the reverb on the high cut and the dry wet. So bring the high cut all the way around here till about 3 o'clock, and dry wet's fine there. It's about 25%, that's good. So first of all, before we put the LFO on this reverb effect, we want to shape it. So bring the LFO to the left here a bit and give it a slight curve, and then bring this side up and give it a big bend right down there. Take it off from off here to set it to envelope mode, so it's only hitting one time, and change the rate from a quarter bar to a bar. That's sounding right good now. Next thing what we want to do is assign LFO to the high cut here. Bring the high cut all the way around till about halfway, like this. And the last thing what we need to do here is assign LFO 1 again to the dry wet knob, and keep it like that, and this should be our sound. Let's add this to the track by just adding some MIDI in. So let's bring this down here, that's good, and let's take a listen to the final result. Right guys, if you enjoyed that there, consider subscribing to this channel and giving this video a like please. It really helps grow the channel, and that's our main goal here. This techno stab will be added to our new techno preset. It's called Dark Motion, and it will be out very, very soon. So thanks again for watching the video, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks very much. Cheers.